Hello guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to download SpaceSim. If you're still living under a rock and you don't know what is SpaceSim, SpaceSim is an OpenSPH program. And I'll be showing you how to download SpaceSim, plus the program OpenSPH. So all I want to do is type SpaceSim, download, or just SpaceSim. Click this, OpenSPH. SpaceSim, a brand new graphical application that uses OpenSPH solver. What you want to do is click the Windows installer. I already installed it there. You ever can download OpenSPH, which is right there. After you download it, you click the MSI setup. Wait. Okay, so after you download it, you click the setup, click next. If you have another user, you can just use everyone or just me. Click next again. Now SpaceSim is being installed. Wait patiently, it will take not too long. You can download OpenSPH, and this is optional, you don't need this, but if you want to use that, you can just go download it, which is already. Click next. Now I'm going to show a tutorial how to play it also. So I really didn't know much about OpenSPH, so I will show you SpaceSim only. Now you click plus, it means you want to add objects such as these planets. You can add minor bodies, stars, black holes, Sagittarius A, Messier 87. These and groups if you have any planets or black holes or stars. These grayed out because there is no objects yet. So let's take this as an example. Obviously, this is the tiny particles, makes it realistic. You can increase the particle count if you want to make it even more realistic. It just looks like the supercomputer program that was been made by NASA about the formation of the moon, which I tried and it pretty much just formed a random ring around it. I think it did form a moon. Now we are going to collide it with something. Just do the same thing. Add objects. I'm going to add Venus here. And if you want to record, just click record. If you don't want, just click this random icon. It takes really slow because there is no way to increase the simulation speed. The only way is to use the software to increase the speed. It literally depends on how far your planet is. If it's really far, it takes really slow. If it's close, then it should be fast. Now two planets should move together. Yeah, like this. And the position is changing right now. So literally there's no way to increase the simulation speed. Even if you click on that, nothing will work. And I don't know why. I hope SpaceSim, because this is still under development and this does not exist on Steam. It's in Google. It's a free app. There's composition shape. You can see how spherical it is. It's just 0.9. I should change it down to 0.7 or below because of the shape and the gravity pulling each other. It should be elliptical for a little bit, and then collision. As you can see how realistic this collision is. This could be the alternative to universe, but even though the picture image, the planet texture is not that realistic. If you have a pretty really good computer, you can just set this particle count to like 1,000 or 100,000. I don't know. It was about to form a donut. You can see the composition. So there is half Earth and half Venus. I know I'm going to give it a really weird name, Venus. No, that is just a pretty bad name. I will just get cancelled by YouTube because you can see that it's Venus. Venus. Yeah. In fact, I also can make a ring, but it's kind of a bit hard for me to make a ring because why? Because if we just collide to each other, and it's not like universe sandbox. Because why? Because you cannot add any more planets once the simulation starts. You can just need to go back to set up and clean this added planet. I'm coughing right now. You can add another object in here, which is you can just choose a planetary ring, which looks like this, and that should be it. It depends on how good your computer, how good your laptop. It depends. You see, my computer, the computer I'm using. If you want to know my specs, I'm using NVIDIA RTX 360 with the CPU AMD Ryzen 5 5500. Yeah. With the SSD that is like this is like so-called 512 gigabyte, even though literally is 468 gigabytes. I don't know. Since the simulation is realistic, as you can see that the ring is about to deform because of the gravity. If you're wondering why I use hours, is this I don't know why they are using hours. I think they want to simulate. So like 7-8 hours in, as you can see, it's pretty close. I'm sorry, I'm coughing right now. Now it would go into a collide with Venus. Boom. Even the rings got closer. They both married each other. Did he create a new ring? I want to see. Oh yeah, it did not. No, don't go away. Oh. As you can see, the ring just go away because of the gravity is literally messed up right now. Maybe some ring will get into contact each other. Maybe not. You see that? Oh, maybe it will. Maybe not. Maybe both. Oh yeah. Wait, there's another ring coming out right now. This literally donut shaped with no holes planet. Just created crescent. Wait, did she become elliptical? No way, no. It is elliptical right now. Yeah. It's a free game. I cannot believe this game is free and could give pretty good graphics and simulation. Yep, and a brand new ring comes out. As you can increase the particle size if you don't know. Oh yeah, it created a ring, another ring. This it's not changing to its normal shape though. As you can see, this sphericity is literally one. It's elliptical. I think it's supposed to be CB and BA. All of the rings are pretty getting close except for that. It became a star from the far. If you zoom in, it's literally the planet that reshaping itself. So that was, I'm sorry. I get this record up to 10 minutes for this Bandicam unregistered. I'm gonna trim this video. As you can see this, I'm gonna delete this planet Earth, and let's go with Saturn. Now this Saturn is friend with another Saturn, but it's actually an enemy for both, if you don't know. Okay, now let's try to add a planetary ring, and a surprise for you, second Saturn, a planetary ring again. I think my computer's about to explode as we run this. No, it did not. No. As you can see, Saturn is about to collide to each other with the infinity symbol. And the ring will just go and run away because they are scared. This fairy city, this sphere is not sphere anymore. It's elliptical. Is it? Or egg-shaped? I would call it as egg-shaped. Elliptical, is it elliptical? No, this egg-shaped. No, it's donut. Oh yeah, look at that. This is about to become a star. Look at this, how bright. If you are from Earth, you can see that really bright star from 1000 AU or 10 AU or 1 astronomical units. It was hit as a star, but it looks like a black hole from far. You see that line looks like that laser thing. How long this going to normal planet? You can see how hot this is. We can fire simulation and see from back what actually happening before. So the first 3 hours they collide into an egg shape. They fully collide in hour 4. It starts to stretch out in hour 7. 11 hours later, at the hour 11, it starts to stretch again. 14 hour in, 17 hour in. It goes and goes. Again, it's going back and resume the simulation again. It's 50% made of Saturn, and 50% of it is made out of Saturn 1. Look at that. It created a deformed ring, irregular ring. You see that around there? And it looks like a black hole from far. I mean a hurricane icon. You see that? Yeah. But it's about the gravity is strong. The physics in here is strong. But anyways, let's go with the OpenSPH, which I'm stupid in, and I'm not going to show any videos about it. Maybe in the future. Let's say bye. Assalamu alaikum. Yeah, I'm Islam.